A highly contagious disease is making a comeback. Whooping cough, or pertussis, is sickening residents in parts of the Susquehanna Valley, with York County seeing the most cases.
News 8's Portia Johnson joins us live from York. And Portia, even people who've been vaccinated are at risk.
That's right, Ron. In fact, majority of the 20 whooping cough cases in York County this month are from people who have already been vaccinated. It's unclear why immunity to the disease is waning. However, the state health department says the vaccine is the best way to protect yourself from the potentially deadly lung disease.
In older people and adults, older children and adults, it tends not to be deadly. In infants who have had no vaccination to date, it can be a very serious and sometimes even fatal disease.
Pennsylvania gets an average of 200 cases a year, but that's on the rise, with cases found in York and Adams County and Philadelphia's suburbs. The health department says the whooping cough is spread by coughing and sneezing out in the air, and one way to recognize the difference between a common cold and a whooping cough is
it's a very distinctive sound, and it sounds like whoop. That's what it sounds like.
Symptoms are usually sneezing, fever, a severe cough. If you would like to get vaccinated on August 25th in York, you can get the shot Wednesday from 9 to noon and from 1 to 3 at the Albert Weir Health Center at 435 West Philadelphia Street, and also from 9 until noon at 1750 North George Street. Now, the good news is if you actually come down with this illness, it's treatable with a dose of antibiotics. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Portia. Live in York tonight.